Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I made a video, but today's the day, and today we're talking about something back from the past. We're talking about Bluetooth speakers, and most importantly, we're talking about Beats Pill Plus. Yep, it's an old speaker, no doubt. It's been around a while. So, if this is an oldie you're looking at and see, is this worth it in 2022? They're not making it anymore, I don't think. So, Apple's done with this. And Bluetooth speakers are kind of coming a thing of the past a little bit. They really died off. We'll talk about that. Let's get started. Hey guys, if you're new here, it's Scott's Reviews. I do tech reviews. I used to do just mainly Bluetooth speakers back in the day, and then I kind of moved on to camera equipment. So I'm still hitting that. I just want to go back. And this is one of my biggest, probably the video that started this whole thing off for my channel was back, was it 6 or 7 years ago? I did just a Canon camera, did a review on the Bose SoundLink, the Beats Pill Plus, and the Flip 4 or 3, I don't remember. I'll put it up here, link it up below. It's got my most views of any, it's got the most views of any review I've ever done. Right now it's like 612,000 views, which is pretty large for a channel with only like 2,000 subscribers. So to fix that, please subscribe now to the channel because my channel count goes very, very slow. But that's okay, because I can do whatever I want. Why am I talking about this? Is because it's kind of a speaker that I kept eyeing at Costco for a while. I would see it go on sale and go, ooh, remember that speaker? And I would like, stop, you don't need another speaker. I got rid of most of my Bluetooth speakers. I have a couple of small ones left around. I have the Wonderboom 2, which I'm not getting rid of. I do like the speaker a lot, and we'll go over it. We're actually going to compare these two a little bit for no good reason, but this is the one I have, and this is the one that's about the same price right now. So that's why I've been comparing them. But let's talk about the Beats Pill Plus. All right, very heavy, solid build. When you pick it up, you feel you got like something in hand, you could throw it at someone and hurt someone. So when it comes to build quality, excellent, excellent speaker. Why did I pick it up? Mainly the price. The price in Costco went down to $99, which I think originally the thing was close to $200, maybe on sale for $179. I think I just looked it up now on Amazon. It's around $150, $160. Even with Prime Deal, it's not a deal right now. Let's see, I'm looking. Amazon, I could pick it up today for $160 and buy it used for $148. So 99 bucks on Costco was I just wanted to give it a try. And if it didn't work out, then I would move on and return it. But I think I'm going to keep it for nostalgia purposes because it is a good speaker. I just took it on a trip to the beach recently and used it indoors. So used it inside for music around the condo that we're in. And I took this guy out to the pool on the beach because that's what it was built for. So it kind of played well with each other. Now, the thing about Bluetooth speakers today is that if you have like that are Wi-Fi enabled, that you basically talk to it and tell it to play something and it does. I have Apple speakers, I have the little small mini, and I have two of the old big ones back in the day that had those. I sold one for a lot of money back when they got rid of them. That was good. Anyway. So I still have those, and I do like the ability to talk to a speaker and just say, hey, play this, and it does. Easy, I don't have to connect it, all that kind of stuff. I do miss the Bluetooth stuff, so I could take this outside on the deck. You know, it's a Bluetooth speaker, right? We all know what we do. So Scott, shut up and just get on with what we're here about. So remember, this speaker can be paired with other pills. So I bought additional one, you could pair it and play stereo sound, which probably sound pretty darn good. So it has that feature. It takes lightning. So something I did like in the past when it first came out, that I could use this one plug to charge my phone and my speaker. Now we're getting more on the USB-C side of the world, and now it's kind of outdated. But I have plenty of these, and Apple's still taking these for their phones, so that's good. So with the $100, I get another Apple and a Beats charger, which is good. If I bought this on my own, it probably would cost me, what, 19 bucks? So there you go. That's making a speaker even cheaper. That's the sound the speaker starts. A little illumination on top for, you can use this for pausing and skipping, that kind of stuff. And it is a, unlike this, is not a speakerphone. This is a speakerphone that could be used for making phone calls, that kind of thing. On the back side is a little small port door to go ahead and charge it up. And then your other door is, which is something that most speakers don't have now anymore, I can open it up, 3.5 millimeter jack with an out USB-C-A charging port. So if you have that laptop, you have a computer on the road and you want to listen to a movie or something and you want better sound than what your laptop can provide, you can get one of these cables connected to your laptop or an iPad or whatever. Can you do an iPad anymore? I don't know. And then you have a nice, better sounding experience with your laptop. So these are going away. You don't find them too much anymore with the speakers coming out today. This is the box it comes in, very Apple-like since it is an Apple product. There's no case or anything. It's just typical style today box materials. Very nice. And then you get your charger. Sound. Now you want to know about the sound. I'll show you an image of what I drew back in the old days of what the thing sounded like. How I wanted to come across of what the sound gave me. It's different now. It's nothing to rock your socks off of feeling surround sound around you. It has two nice drivers and separates the sound, give you a little more bass in songs, and you really notice it when you play something like this next to it. So I'm gonna play these two next to each other, and you can hear the sounds. I'll use some sounds from Epidemic Sound, because I'm still paying too much money for that, but I still have it. Ooh me. This is gonna give you a more direct treble sound, like high vocals, a piercing, like you really hear the vocals and stuff, right? Because look what this is. This is a very small speaker. A little bit of bass, nothing crazy, but just enough, right? And it sounds good. This gives you more of that traditional, little bit of stereo separation, more of you hear the boom in the music as you listen to it. So it's got your more traditional sounding speaker, right? So for $99, I do think it is, if you can still find one, it's a worth to pick up. Build quality is great. It doesn't get wet, so don't lay it around the pool. The back is protected, so dust and stuff like that easily prevent anything going into the jacks. I'm sure, well, I'm not gonna say that. So if it is, at least research later on, I will let you know if it could take anything to do with the water. All right, let's listen to the sound. And we'll come right back and then I'll let you know. Volume's at 50%.
Should know better, 'cause you always do this to me. Do this to me. But you stop to play. Later disbelieve that I'm there. And I promise myself it will never happen again.
Here's the volume.
But oh, here I stand.
90.
Broken and weary, really got me, really got me, really got me. Really got me, really got me, really got me.
All right, let's do it proper from the beginning. something different. Open. 80%. Off of the beat.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it into. Long time before I.
Alright, I like to start music over again so you can kind of hear the same thing. So I'll back up. We'll change speakers to the Wonderboom 2 and try to match the volume. Alright, Wonderboom 2.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it into. Long time before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things.
Alright, I got it. What did you think, guys? What did you think of these two? So, listening to the backside, I didn't get the best perspective of the deal. So when I got to the front, I could really hear the difference. Kind of like what I thought and said before is that this guy gives you more of a direct sound, with a little bit of bass, and it's louder, which is good for outdoors. It's good for the beach, pool, that kind of thing. You carabiner your stuff back of the chair on your beach bag, throw it in the water, throw it to your buddy across the pool to listen to, what have you. It has its great qualities. This does give me that more open, bigger sound, as you say, more sophisticated sound, I would call that. A little bit of bass in the music, you kind of hear the boom, 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 and equally to the vocals. So the mids are better than this guy. This is good for direct sound, treble with a little bit of bass. This is good for more wide open. That's what I hear with my ears. Whether I relay that message to you or not, so be it. For the price, again, 99 bucks. I think it's a good deal. I can still charge another device. So if I have my phone with me and it's getting low in battery, I could take the plug that they came with, plug it in back here and start charging my phone, which is something I need to do right now because actually my phone is dying. So just to, you even need to see that. It's like so old school. If this is also showing you the age of USB-A, is showing you the age of charging my phone. Okay, whew, there are a ton of speakers out there in the world. So many choices, many new choices out there. This is looking back at an old one that I had in the past, and I do like the sound of it. I like the quality that it can do. So that's it. I'm not going to bore you anymore. If you're still watching this video, you need to subscribe because if you don't, it's rude. Okay? Alright, see you later. Oh, one thing cool I just noticed, I turn off the speaker the power down, and look at that, phone's still charging. That's nice. I didn't know it did that.